Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up.
Calculus problems like this integral look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by breaking the expression into smaller, manageable pieces. Let us go now.
First, we use the linearity of the integral to separate the expression into two distinct parts, allowing us to handle each term individually and simplify the math for our work. The first term is the derivative of arcsine. For the second, we apply the power rule with a simple U-substitution, keeping the negative sign in mind for the final result.
Finally, we combine both results and add the constant of integration to complete the solution, matching our result with the given options. That makes option D our final winner.
Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't ignore the sign or miss upsub. Use linearity and check the derivative every time.